Hi, so I want to give you an up-close look here of this foosball table that was $16 on Amazon.com. So let me give you the measurements here first. Now this tabletop is fairly miniature. You could see it's 19 inches across and about 1 foot deep. And so let me just give you a close-up here. Now this thing comes in pieces when you buy it, and the box looks like this. So this is the box itself here, Tabletop Foosball. And you really have to be pretty light with it because it doesn't, it moves around, so you can't be really rough with it. You sort of have to play with it, with some control and ease. You could see the ball just went in like that. And so mine's just came with one foosball. Supposedly it's supposed to come with two. For whatever reason, the packaging or whatever is not really that high quality. There's not good quality control, so mine's just came with one foosball. In any case, let me put this aside and give you a close-up look. Now everything is disassembled when you get it, meaning that this panel here is one panel. The floor itself is another panel. And if you ever built one of those IKEA desk drawers, that's how thick the floor is. It's like building one of those dresser drawers, and that the bottom itself is like the bottom of the dresser, and that's how it's built. And so this thing comes in all sorts of pieces. Even the handles themselves are not, you have to put them in. You can see there's a screw here, and you slip these through yourself, and you could see there's rubber, sort of like the rubber stops here, so that's good. And there is the scoring, so you could see the scores, and that you also put in yourself. And to give you a little rough look at some of the faux wood, and the best way to look at the quality is really at the bottom here. So you could see the bottom. It's really a very thin board that you see. This thing is less than 1/4 of an inch. It's like it's like half of 1/4 of an inch, like 1/8 of an inch. This bottom base board. So it does need assembly with a couple of screws. So you could see the 2 screws in the bottom here. And it does take about 25 minutes to build. These 2 sections are different pieces. This piece here is a different piece, but also slipping through these these handles is also a different piece. And you can see it just comes with like 3 players on each handle here. But once again, it does come with these stops that you slip in. But it does come with basically everything is in pieces. So just keep that in mind when you're building it. It does take like 25 minutes to build. I'm trying to just show you, how it moves here. So it moves pretty good. It's not one of those things that's going to last. It's not going to last years. So just keep that in mind. You might want to spend a little bit more, like, the $40 to get something with legs, that is a lot more heavy duty and thicker. But that's really what I wanted to show. But let me just give you, another close up here by zooming in. Just by going in here, give you the look of just how the players are themselves. So you could see and you could imagine just how, and I just want to tap on this so you can see it's very soft. So you could see how hard that was, even dropping it, at a very low level. So, but that's really it. That's really what I wanted to show here, and I hope this helped. And please subscribe, and thank you for watching.